Oh yo yo, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Hello everyone, Michael here, and in today's video I will demonstrate how to color grading using a phone, and let's get started. So first, import your video. So it's simple, just open Capcut, press the new project, then we're gonna go to adjust, just click the clip and go to adjustment, click that, and then yes, you can adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, and saturation. So that's color correction. So that is important. You want to color correct your video first before you go to the exciting part. So I'm gonna adjust this highlights to 15, shadow to 7, and temperature to 28 or maybe 26 on. And then the exposure to 6, and so click the HSL. This takes any part, so click the green so you can follow my process, guys. Let's click the graphs. So this is important also to have a color to your video. Then click the filters and go to retro, then find that filter, so adjust that. Verbally, if you don't like it, so just adjust the color correct. So this, I don't like this, the saturation of the color, so I adjust the contrast, the exposure also. and the highlights just a little bit low, then good to go. So let's apply this to the other clip. So just the saturation, guys. And click to apply to all so that this filter will go to the other clips. Yeah, here. So if you don't like the filter in the other clip, you can adjust that just by adjusting the color correction, HSL, and the graphs. Yes, so here I don't like the color, just like so I click the graphs, I adjust the colors. So this graphs is, so my plan is I want this like a golden hour, so I adjust this colors. And yeah, I like those clips, I like the colors, so nothing's gonna change. And so that's it, guys, all done. So you can follow my process if you want. So my advice is just color grade and follow this process. And thank you for watching, and goodbye. Talk soon.